Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun little makeup tutorial for you guys. It was supposed to start off as a very natural kind of summer, glowy skin, that kind of foundation routine, and then I ended up just taking it somewhere else. So I'm wearing some pretty, I mean for me, it's some pretty unusual and dramatic pink eyeshadow, but I think the end look, it doesn't look that kind of out of the ordinary. I just sat down and did this for fun, so if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face. So starting with the skin, I've already mentioned this a bunch in previous videos, I'm sure. This is my moisturizer and oil from the Drunk Elephant, and I actually like mixing them together to apply on my face. Because it's summer, I don't feel bad applying more than the normal amount of oil because I'm gonna get that glowy finish, and that's what I'm going for anyway, that like dewy, healthy skin looking finish. Then to add some extra glow into my face, underneath my makeup, I'm gonna be using the Dr. D Schwab Flawless Skin Fluid. This is full of shimmer, so a little goes a long way. I've been doing this a lot lately where I apply my concealer underneath my foundation. I just feel like it helps the blending of it be a little bit more natural and less like full face glam type of style. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing my Urban Decay Naked Skin in the shade 7.75 with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the shade Tan. Before blending, I'm going to use my OTwoO Rose Gold Elixir, and just to add a few drops to my face, again to bring back that glow and make my foundation look a little bit more dewy and glowy. You can definitely skip adding an oil into your foundation if you feel like during the course of the day you get oily. Next, I'm going to set my concealer using my Bareminerals Mineral Veil. You can apply more concealer now that your foundation is on if you want to. I've just been, I don't know, over having like a very prominent concealed under eye center of the face area. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but like always I use my e.l.f. brow kit in the shade Dark. And it looks like this. It was like $3 and it's super easy to use. That's it. As you can see, I don't do anything that crazy with my brows, but I'm gonna go ahead and set them using my Brow Gel. This is just to keep them in place. So to bring some color back into my face, I'm gonna be using the TooFaced Natural Face Palette. I'm picking up the product, it's called Sunny Honey, on a brush, and just going to kind of follow that 3 motion and just bring some color back into my face. Using the same palette, I'm just gonna pick up some of this mauve blush. It's called Pink Sand, and just apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. This is the BossBitch Boss's Beauty Palette from hip.shop. I showed this in my birthday get ready with me and then lost all the actual eye footage, so I'll show it to you again. This palette has some like really amazing shades. The pigmentation is unreal, and just like the shade range is versatile, so I feel like it's a great palette to have on hand. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, and compared to other eyeshadow palettes, I think it comes at a great price, so definitely check it out. I'll have the link in my description box below. I feel like this is where you can either go a little bit more glam with your makeup or stick to being natural. Don't really know what I want to do now, so I'm just gonna see where this palette takes me. I'm going to use the shadow Grace just to kind of pat on top of my eyes and kind of act like a base. So this is just kind of to dull out the discoloration I have on top of my eyelids. Since I'm wearing white, I feel like I can really pretty much do anything I want to, which is why I think I'm going to allow myself to be a little bit more free with what I choose. So I'm going to pick up the shade Awake, which looks like a salmon pink type of shade, and apply that into my crease, and let's just see how this goes. See, these things are so pigmented. This is my first like swipe on my eyelids and it's so pigmented. I've always been kind of scared to use color, but I'm actually kind of liking where this is going. And this is considered like color to me because I usually always go for more of the neutral shades. I am gonna pick up a brown just to diffuse it out a little bit. So this is called Winning. So now going in with a flatter brush, I'm gonna pick up the shade Smile and apply that to the kind of center third of my eyelid, and probably then go on top of it with another shimmery shade. So I hope this doesn't mess it up, but I wanna try either Radiance over here or Paradise over here. Let me show you what they both swatch. So Radiance is the darker and Paradise is the lighter pink. I think I'm gonna try the lighter pink and see where that takes me. If you compare it to the other eye, it's ever so subtle, but it's like the same color, just a glitter version of it. This palette is like on another level, and this isn't even sponsored. I just really am amazed with the quality of this palette. Okay, I'm gonna do my liner off camera just because it takes me so long, and like the lashes I just put on are the Pure Cosmetics 3D cruelty-free lashes in the style Socialite. To smoke out my lower lash line, instead of going with the same crease color, which was Awake, I'm gonna go with Inspire. They're not too different. Inspire is just a little bit lighter, and I'm just gonna try to see if it provides a little bit of a contrast. It might just look the same, which is totally fine. I'm gonna brighten up the inner corners with the shade I had used to prep my lids, Grace. I don't want something shimmery, I just want it to look a little bit brighter. So for mascara, I'm gonna use the Buxom Cosmetics mascara. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna do my lips. I'm using the IAmPerfect by RealHer Cosmetics or RealHer Makeup. I didn't like the other option, so I just tried on the Plumping Lip Polish in the shade Camila by Buxom. Part of their new holographic collection, and honestly, it's pretty cool. And for being so kind of glittery, it has a good amount of pigmentation in it, so it actually does look like this shade in the bottle. In any case, last but not least is highlight. I'm gonna be using my Glamazon Duo from Galani Cosmetics and picking up the highlight shade, which is called Goddess. I love how this went from a natural type of look to God knows what this is. Okay, I think that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. The pink is not as like crazy as I thought it would be, and I think I might start to kind of reach out of my comfort zone more with colors and using color in my makeup. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos. I will see you guys in my next one.